Merry Christmas! Making some Oreo Truffles. Now what happens is you buy a pack of Oreos, you throw them in the Ninja blender, and then you form them into a ball. Now what my wife is doing here, we bought some chocolate out of the bulk section at our grocery store. They come in different colors, but she uses the toothpick to pick it up. Let's watch this in action here. So she grabs it with a toothpick, dips it, throws it on the fork, and slides it off. So the fork trick is kind of a new thing that she created, and we just wanted to share with you on how to do it. Recipe for this Oreo truffle will be in the description below. Thanks guys, hope you had a great Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon.